Hello, Richard.
Hi Chantal. What's up?
I am good, and you?
Yeah, me too.
Richard, could you do me a favor?
Yes, of course.
Mom told that she will ask the question that she taught yesterday.
Yeah, I remember that.
I have studied all the question and answers, but I feel like I'm forgetting everything. So could you please ask the question to me, so that I can check whether I remember or not?
Oh sure.
Thank you, Richard.
Okay then, what is data mining?
The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data-driven decision from huge sets of data is called data mining.
Okay, next, what are the ethical issues in data mining?
The important ethical issue with data mining is that, if someone is not aware that the information/knowledge is being collected or of how it will be used, he/she has no opportunity to consent or withhold consent for its collection and use. This invisible information gathering is common on the web.
Okay, what are the 4 categories of ethical issues?
Privacy issues involves collecting, storing and disseminating information about individuals. Accuracy issues involves the authenticity, fidelity and accuracy of information that is collected and processed. Property issues involves the ownership and value of information. Accessibility issues revolve around who should have access to information and whether they should have to pay for this access. Turbin, Rayner and Potter, Introduction to Information Systems.
What are the views on ethical behavior?
Okay, the ethical behavior are: how will you react? How will you determine what the right course of action is? What are you willing to risk to do the right thing? How far are you willing to bend? And when?
Explain about ethics of data mining.
Combining information via data warehousing could violate privacy. It must tell people how their information will be used when the data is obtained. Data mining raises ethical issues mainly during application of results using ethnicity as a factor in loan approval decision screening, job applications based on age or sex where not directly relevant, declining insurance coverage based on neighborhood if this is related to race. Redlining is illegal in much of the U.S.
Can you give one example for that ethics of data mining?
Probably ethical to use ethnicity to diagnose and choose treatments for a medical problem, but not to decline medical insurance.
What are the consequence-based ethics?
Priority is given to choices that lead to a good outcome. Consequence: the outcome outweighs the methodegoism. The right choice benefits self-utilitarianism. The right choice benefits the interests of others. Jim Davis, Legal and Ethical Issues in Computer Security.
Okay, and the last, can you give an example of ethical dilemma in social media?
Ethical boundaries and complexity. Social media ethical codes of conduct.
Okay, good, you remember all the thing properly, so you can definitely answer all the questions. All the very best, Chantal.
Thank you so much, Richard.